Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. In our last video, we started with the topic surds, and we said surds are irrational radicals. And there are numbers that are expressed in square root like this. For instance, 2 root 2 is a surd. Root 2 is irrational. Okay, so when you take the square root of 2, it gives you a number with decimal places. Okay, so this is irrational. Then we can also look at another number, say root 4. Root 4 is 2. This is a rational radical, so this is not a surd, whereas this is a surd. Okay, because it's going to give you a number, maybe 1 point something like that. Okay, all right, so take note of that. And we were able to solve some simple problems in our last video. So today we'll just look at some more problems. The first one says write root 18 in the form of a root b, where a and b are integers and a is as large as possible. All right, so first of all, we're going to write root 18. Now we're going to look for the largest perfect square that is a divisor or is a factor of 18. The large perfect square that is a factor of 18. We know perfect squares. We have 4, it's a perfect square. We have 1, it's a perfect square. We have 9, we have 16, we have 25, we have 36, 49, and so on. So the largest perfect square so far from what we have there that is a factor of 18 is 9. So we can write this as root 9 times 2. So that when we say 9 times 2, we'll get back 18. Okay, then we can say again, yesterday I told you if you have something like this, you can separate them. Okay, in our last video I said if you have something like this, you can separate them as root 9 times root 2. Okay, easy. So there you can see square root of 9. This is not a sodic number, so square root of 9 is 3 times root 2. So that is very easy. 3 times root 2 is 3 root 2. 3 root 2. So we've been able to express it in the form a root b, 3 root 2. So a is 3 and b is 2. Okay, that's quite easy. All right, let's see the second example. The second example here says write 3 root 5 in the form root a, where a is an integer. Okay, very easy. We have 3 root 5. So we can write this again as 3 times root 5. Okay, we can also write this as root 3 is the same thing as root 3 squared times root 5. Root 3 squared times root 5. Root 3 squared is 3. Okay, so that we can bring this together, we can have root 3 squared times 5. And that is equals to root 9 times 5. Because 3 squared is 9. And that is equals to root 45. So we've been able to write this in just one number in the root. Okay, so that's quite easy, very easy. Simply square this, bring it into the square root with 5, multiply, and you get this. That is a very fast way. Square this, then multiply it with 5, then you get this. Okay, so these are simple examples. Please follow, like, and share this video. In our next video, we'll be looking at addition and subtraction of surds. Bye.